people's voice. My religion is peace, but their hearts rejoice in evil deeds while they pray and preach. But the true meaning's lost and love's hard to reach. In the name of God, they cry and shout, but tomorrow they'll kill without a doubt. They say God said, kill the infidel, but I say, what's the purpose, what's the deal? Hey, stupid leaders lost and blind, go find your way, leave the world behind. Your actions scream, we're the ones to blame. Stop the hate, let's find a better way to play. I hear the children's cries day and night. No food, no water, just endless fight. War's endless cycle, what's the gain? When will we learn to live in peace and pain? Hey, stupid leaders lost and blind, go find your way, leave the world behind. Your actions scream, we're the ones to blame. Stop the hate, let's find